Let's see, Instagram Reels, something went wrong. If you find that, if you scroll to the Instagram, there you can find Instagram Reels are not showing up and they are showing something went wrong. For that, let's hop into Play Store. That might be due to the update that you have not been updated. You can search for Instagram, and if it shows you update, make sure you update the app. If it shows open, then your app is full on up to date. And the second reason is that let's hop into Instagram. Tap on your profile, go to top three lines, and there you can search for data usage and media quality. There you can tap. Here, make sure you have toggled off data saver mode. What will it do is that it will uses less data for Instagram Reels and it will show you with low quality. And if you toggled on this and you can't get Reels sometimes, and if you toggled off this, you can get. The third is that if you still can't get, all you can do is that go to the settings, go for apps, go to the apps, search for Instagram, and go to Instagram. Make sure you cleared all the data of your Instagram and uninstall it and reinstall. Sometimes this will help you to get your Instagram Reels. Thank you.